Sebelum video dimulakan, korang jangan lupa tekan button subscribe. Percuma je, gang. What's up, miau? Kita kembali balik pada Resident Evil Village Final Part. Tak sangka lah dah final part. Tak sabar aku nak main game horror yang lain, game yang seram macam Dead Camp, macam Water TV tu. Memang seram dah. Aku tak sabar ni. Habis game ni, tunggu diskaun, kita beli DLC je yang Rose punya. Jom kita bunuh Miranda. Apa tu? Venom. Ini bukan Spider-Man lah.
Hey Alpha, look at this.
Alpha? Aku Gen Z weh, kerja apa?
Yes, AA. You've gone too far. Christ.
It looks pretty rough down there. How are you planning on reaching the objective?
First, we're gonna have to take that thing out.
I've got your back, boss. Let's get
Mantap.
to work.
Kau memang terbaik punya.
Everyone watch for hostile bioweapons.
Roger.
Make contact with a group of hostile bioweapons.
Hui, lagi kuat. Ethan punya 4 kali ke 5 kali. Tapi kita tak boleh ambil barang lah. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Western route is clear. Moving out.
Roger that.
Reload pun slow. Reload sama chicken.
BSAA craft spotted. 2 guards.
Tapi baiknya.
I can take 'em.
Don't get caught.
Sekejap. Sangkut pula.
What the hell is that
Itu
thing?
bulan.
It's all mutamycete.
That's probably where Miranda
Oh,
is.
salah.
Let's go.
Aku lari ke apa?
Large mutant.
Pergi mana? Oh Yen! Oi.
The boat may be releasing infectious particulates.
Ada 2 Yen weh.
Keep your mask.
Wah!
Didn't expect to see the BSAA going so hard.
Tak sempat reload ni.
They had eyes on Miranda.
Kebal dia.
They needed to intervene.
Datang kau Yen pun ada. Last part ni. Last part. Part.
Hey boss, it's me. I'm at the location preparing for support fire. Might be a minute.
Roger.
Tundra here. Leaving some supplies in one of the houses, Captain.
Ui, banyak orang. Aku 700. Murah canggih. Ada night vision. Kat mana tak tahu tu. Terima kasih. Jangan bergerak. Oh, kebal.
Umber Eyes, I need some backup.
I see. 200 to the point.
Mana backup ya? Oh. Di atas. Tak boleh. Di bawah.
I've never heard of a mutamycete colony growing so huge.
Oi. Okey. Cepat.
Hey, I get eyes on
Dah besar. Yang besar. Yang besar kena bom. Kebal juga dia. Sekejap. Okey. Belakang. Ai tak ada. Takut dah.
My mom's on this shit. She thinks she can hide and go.
Reload, cepat reload. Instant aku. Jangan nak aku. Dah kena nak. Kali Chris kena gigit dia tumbuk, jatuh. Ethan dia sepak dia jatuh. Jom kita ending. Nasiblah tak jam scare. Aku tak tahu jam scare ke tak terkejut aku.
I've reached the target location.
Depan.
Big. All right, Lobo. Marking the target.
Roger that, boss.
Hilang dah. Aku nak tembak ni. Tembak ni boleh? Oh, tak boleh sini.
Takes a minute to target the point. Try and keep the laser on it as long as you can. Alright.
Reloading pula.
Reloading now. Just a minute. There's a swarm headed that way.
Okay, ada peluru. Oh! Kebal ni.
Okay, Captain. I'm reloaded. Ready when you are.
Kejap, sabarlah. Engkau tak tolong aku.
Mold is rapidly expanding. There must be something stimulating.
Kena kata lagi.
PSA guys are engaging the bioweapons. You're right, Captain. They must
Tak
be after
boleh.
the Megamice.
Aku ada flashbang kan? Flashbang.
2.
Ya, aku sekali pun kena.
Coming out of there. Everyone okay? Coming from
Cepatlah!
no end to it.
Mantap. Aku memang mantap.
Looks like it's about to collapse. Hold your horses. I'm reloading. It's them. Watch your enemies.
Ramai tu. Ramai. Flashbang. Aku pun sekali kena. Ni kebal.
Damn it, these things are using weapons.
Sure, they're thinking the same about you.
Pecah boleh dia.
We need to finish them off quick.
Allah.
Is that target
Reload jap.
working?
Sabar. Tak boleh sabar.
I'm nearby. I'll handle him.
Tak boleh. Kalau lah kesian dari shotgun. Cepat nanti dia datang lagi. Ada arrow. Aduh.
Take that.
Good.
Okey, mantap.
Megamice must be below.
Dah betul lagi sini. Salah. Ikut kepala pula. Sini.
I found a way down. I'm going in. The rest of you stay back.
Jadi bom.
Captain, I compared the mold at the village with a sample from the bake.
Okey, ada bom. Mantap.
And there's no sign of the genome editing we saw in the E-series. The stuff originated here.
Hoi, apa tu? Ini yang besar. Ini macam ada upgrade sikit kan? Oh tak boleh, kita turun bawah. Oh fight dia. Oh ni dah upgrade
Guarding the mega mycete, huh?
Kena main dekat belakang.
Damn,
Wah, ai!
I got a tough guy here. I'm gonna need backup.
Mana backup ni?
You're on the ground.
Pula.
Give me the roof. Use it.
Okay, I'm moving out.
Oh, bahaya.
There.
Wah! Ada betul Yus. Aduh. Oi, kalau real life dah mati kita ni. Hoi.
I'm overhead, boss.
Good.
Sabar.
I'll signal with the locator.
Give a guy a break.
Ui, ngam.
Reloading out. Just a minute.
Minit kau otak kau macam lebih je. Aku ada flashbang ni, tak ada. Dua combo.
Okay, Captain. I'm reloaded. When we do.
Sabar. Oh. Cepat. Aduh, injek. Cepatlah, sikit lagi. Mati ya? Oh belum. Kembal betul.
Hold your horses. I'm reloading.
Oh.
I'm reloading. Where should I go next?
Poin je belakang.
I'll keep going.
Tak boleh ambil. Oh boleh ambil.
Rest of you, stay above ground.
Gimana? Okay, jom. Canggih weh nak version. Kita flashlight tu pun macam kedai RM2 punya, tak apa habis
So
ujung.
if Miranda was the fake
benda lah.
one, where's the real one? I doubt she saw any further use for her. I don't get any of this. How did Miranda even know Rose exists?
Tak tahu
A
lah.
moldy little bird told her, maybe?
We can figure that out later. Focus on the plan.
Dah tembak.
I found it. It's the mega mycete.
Michael Lawton.
Alpha to squad. I've located the mega mycete.
Michael Lawton. Apa?
Now we can end this mess after all.
About damn time. And 2 explosives armed. There's enough there to blow the whole village sky high.
Let's get out of here and blow the damn place.
Not before I end Miranda. I'm not taking any more chances. I'm going in.
Mesti lah benar kita kontrol Chris. Oh, you jatuh.
Captain, I have eyes on Miranda at the
Achievement
ceremony
unlocked.
site.
The root of
Keep your
the
distance.
better.
Do not move until I
Aku
get
cari
you.
I know it's too late now, but we really should have told Ethan the plan.
There wasn't time.
Tak ada masa.
We didn't expect
Kita ni busy tahu
Miranda
tak?
back so soon.
Even so, you should have told him.
Yeah.
Aku tak tahu lah dia ni jogging ke lari. Aku tengah shift ni. Macam tak ada beza aku tekan.
This must be Miranda's lab.
Oh, dia buat monster ni. Zombie, agrib semua ni. Ada kunci situ. Okay. Okay, kat sini. Siapa tu? Hey!
Show me your hands!
Nampak?
Bryce, this is Alpha. Where is Miranda right now?
Still at the ceremony site. Whatever she's doing, she's staying put.
Mia?
God damn. It really is you. I'm
Suka
glad
pula.
you saved me. Why are you here?
I was caught and used in experiments.
Wait, did you say Mia? Mia Winters?
In the flesh. What's the situation up there?
Kind of a war going on. Nothing we can't handle.
Don't get distracted. Stick to the mission. I'm headed to the ceremony site.
Wait! You can't leave me here.
Dia boleh tak ketikkan kau ke lawa weh. Agak-agak.
You said that you would keep us safe.
Memanglah.
We did everything that
Saya
you
bukan
asked.
Melayu.
We
Saya
moved
tak
over
akan
here
buat
and
janji Melayu.
everything.
Jangan risau Mia.
And I didn't care. So long as we were together.
Sweet you,
So
sweet
you
you.
tell me, where is my husband? Where is my daughter?
Ikan dah mati lah.
Gone. I couldn't save him. But I can save Rose. Come on. It's not safe here after all.
What do you mean he's gone?
Dia dah pergi.
He's dead. I'm sorry, Mia, but we have to leave. We have to destroy this village.
No, you're wrong.
Perempuan mana pernah salah kan?
I tried to keep this a secret, but
Sebenarnya kau ni Zoe.
you don't understand how special he is.
Salah pula, salah. Aku tahulah dia bisa buka tangan macam tu je, kuasa dia. Macam pelik ke. This red feel. Handsome macam aku lah. Ni Ethan. Cukup tangan dia. Cukup jari dia.
What's going on?
Macam kenal lah suara tu.
Someone's there?
Evelyn. Alah, kena jalan pula.
It's cold. How did I get here?
Okay dah.
God, it's freezing. This shit in my body.
Aduh. Lapar weh, mesti dia lapar.
You're so dumb.
Betul dah Evelyn.
How are you here?
You're dead.
Oh, tak jalan.
Dead? I mean, Miranda. She... no. I still have to save Rose.
Wrong. It wasn't Miranda. You were always dead.
What are you
Betul.
saying?
Jangan aku ada anak.
Still...
Pening ni otak aku memikirkan soal ini. Alamak.
See? Miranda didn't kill you. You mean you didn't think it was weird? No matter how much you got hurt?
Pelik juga.
Remember,
Pakcik Ali, aku ingat pakcik ni. Sakit muka
3
aku.
years ago, the Baker house. You were murdered by Jack. You died there 3 years ago.
That's impossible. No way.
You shouldn't even be able to walk around.
Quit messing with my head.
You shouldn't be walking.
Screw you!
Takut dia boleh muncul depan mata kan. Kita pula. Kali aku standby.
I did all that.
Rose. Mia.
Now do you get it? Your whole body is nothing but mold. You can't ever see your family again.
Family.
Family. Apa tu family?
Family. No. Rose. I have to save my daughter.
You're already dead. Dead!
I will. Rose!
Apa benda sakit mata kau. Okey sikit mata. Aduh. I save no matter what. Sweet.
At last, he awakes.
Where am I?
My carriage, Ethan. You were having a nightmare.
Duke?
Your battle with Heisenberg was a sight to see.
Hebat tak?
But to think Miranda would show herself.
How long have I been out?
Not long till dawn.
Duke, I need a favor. Take me to Miranda.
I assumed as much and am already on the way.
Mantap aduk
We
ni.
should arrive shortly.
Thank you.
But Ethan, are you sure of this? Your body is, well, falling apart.
Yes.
Foolish of me to ask.
Speaking of foolish questions, who or what are you?
Even I can't quite answer that. We're here.
Cepatnya.
I owe you one.
Mr. Winters, I'm afraid you can't return to your old world any longer. Are you ready?
Yeah, I have to be.
Okay,
Gotta
get
go.
was back from Miranda. Kita fight Miranda ni. Cakap tak boleh beli. Kau agak-agak perlu aku berapa je. Ai, siannya. Aku tengok perlu aku dengan berapa je nak fight dengan dia. Kalau otak dia lah. Ni perlu kosong. Ni tinggal 9 ni 9 lagi.
Out of my way.
Dah. Aku tak ada peluru lah weh. Oh. Kena kekeh lagi. Tengok aku tak ada make it lah. Oh, kat ni tak tukar barang. Okay, bila lagi dah. Kalau tak kita tukar lagi, kita belah je. Buang masa orang kata.
Gotta keep going.
Tu sampai. Start fight.
Little Ava, my beautiful daughter. Come to me. Ava, is that you? Oh, how I've missed you. What? My power is leaving me.
Rose!
Ethan.
Miranda!
Cepat. Oh, tak boleh.
Interesting. Your body certainly isn't normal.
Give Rose to me! Now!
You will see. Once I kill you properly, everything.
Oi,
Get her now!
mantap Chris. Alamak.
I've spent a lifetime creating this moment, and you try to take it away from me. I will take what is due. My desires will be fulfilled. Rose is mine.
Selalu perut tak ada weh. Perut tak ada. What the fish? Aku dah tak ada clue weh. Kau tengoklah.
You disposed of my false children and awakened the glorious Nicholas.
Oh. What? Aku tak ada make it masalahnya. Kau tengok.
Pray for little Rose.
Tamatkan saya.
I
Tamatkan.
assure you I'll provide her with truth. How lucky you are to die before.
Duk. Boleh pergi dapat duk. Alamak. Kata je lah boleh. Kaya. Sniper perlu. Perlu. Shotgun. Spang. Okey. Tu je. Reload speed. Dia reload speed slow betul. Okey. Cuma sedih make it aku ada satu. Okey. Lupa aku dekat belakang. Lupa aduh. Ni kita beli sikit lah sebab dah tahu.
You fulfilled your purpose, Mr. Winters. You disposed of my false children and awakened the glorious Nicholas. Now, please do not worry for little Rose. I assure you I'll provide her with truth. So now...
Make it aku satu je weh. Agak lah. Oh, dua. Alhamdulillah, makasih.
Not let you get away!
Why would you?
Kena kekal.
There's nothing.
Wah, memandang. Tak ada loh. Bos nombor 8 ni, season release ni susah sikit. 7 easy sikit. Tembak api, tembak, menang. Dah. Dia datang.
Don't resist. You understand the love of a parent to a child.
Okay, mantap.
How can you deny me?
Alamak, kisah Spider-Man dah.
Rose is my goddamn kid, not yours.
Wah. Oh, tak ada herbs ke?
Time is up! Now die!
Mana dia?
I shall put you to rest.
Aduh. Wah, alamak.
You won't.
Truly a wonderful fight. Till now, of course.
Kita hidup balik. Tak ada herbs. Aku tak ada medkit. Kau tengok tak ada apa dah. Semua sold out. Ni lupa restock barang kan ni. Second try, third try.
You fulfilled your purpose,
Aku ada 2 medkit. 1 medkit saja.
Mr. Winters. You disposed of my false children and awakened the glorious Megamycete. Now, please do not worry for little Rose. I assure you I'll provide her with true peace. So now you can die.
Ui. Relax kau ni.
I'm not letting you get away.
Why don't you?
Wang hajar betul.
There's nothing.
Macam mana ni? Aku tak ada medkit dah. Shotgun buat apa kau nak? Seram.
Don't resist.
Kejut.
You understand the love of a parent. How can you deny?
Ni aku kalah ni.
Why the hell can't you realize Rose is my goddamn kid, not yours?
Tumpang lalu. Tak boleh
I
lalu.
shall put you to rest. Your time is up. Now die.
Memang kau tak jadi sebab aku tak ada medkit. Alah, lawan bos ni makan tekuk medkit lah. Dah sidak kena. Okay, kita bagus.
This
Kenapa aku guna pistol ni?
The Megamycete saved me from the pits of despair. It granted me this splendid power.
Yeah, right. All it's done is drive you nuts.
Hold still.
Tak nak.
Will this kill you?
Go to fireball. Alamak, aku tak tahu dia ketek macam tu.
After all, everyone dies. I can take any form.
Aku nak make kick, bukannya peluru. Mana dosa aku?
vitality.
Okay, aku balik. Oh, jangan kena balik. Meki tolong mana Meki ni?
Oh, great mega mice, hear my prayer.
Maksud tu kita kena bom. Tahu tak pakai kesan langsung. Alamak.
Now, Mr. Winters, I think it's time you left things in my hands.
Tak adil lah weh, aku tak ada make it lah. Tipu lah game ni. Bersumpah weh, game ni tipu.
I will take back my daughter! If I combine...
Tak ada make it weh. Third kali keempat. Sebab tak ada make it.
You fulfilled your purpose, Mr. Winters. You disposed of my false children and awakened the glorious Megamycete. Now, please do
Satu make
not
it dua.
worry for little Rose.
Kita boleh kampung. Kita kampung. Kali kita
I
boleh.
assure you I'll provide her with true happiness. So now you can die peacefully. You understand the love of a parent.
Not letting you get away.
How can you deny me?
Why the hell can't you realize Rose is my goddamn kid, not yours?
Kakak perempuan. Kahwin je lah.
I shall put
Kalau
you
nak anak.
to rest.
Oh, kena duduk tengah dia.
The Megamycete saved me from
Kena. Kira bazir pula
It
aku tu.
granted me this splendid power.
Yeah, right. All it's
Okay,
done is
mantap.
drive
Kali
me
kita mantap.
nuts.
Oh, great Megamycete,
Sort make it weh, nak survive macam mana?
hear my prayer.
Weh, target atas lah. Alamak, ini yang susahnya. Guna instant.
Now, Mr. Winters,
Ha!
I think it's time you left things in my hands.
Macam aku buat apa lagi?
The hell I will.
I will take back my daughter.
Kena elak.
Die.
Hui, thank you Bom.
If I combine Rose with a Megamycete, my daughter will be made manifest at last. I've waited a century, all for this day.
Reload.
For my daughter.
Bila kau nak mati dah. Asal aku target bawah Why? Masa aku sangkut. Nasib weh.
Why do you interfere? I have no need of Rose now. So close to death.
Dia guna bom.
She's my goddamn daughter. You psycho.
Tak kena weh. Mana dia?
Your life is over, Mr. Winters. Why do you still fight?
Mantap. Musuh aku satu je.
You still stand.
Buat kan, hebat saya.
You walking corpse. The villagers, those foreigners.
Dah lah, matilah.
To assuage my years of loneliness.
Ever think the problem might be you, but
Jangan mati lagi weh.
This is how you end, Ethan Winters.
Mantap guna pisau.
To ensure I never see your face.
Oh, ini minta peluru ke? Cakap lah. Tahu sakit.
My daughter! My Eva!
Tenang. Rose.
Rose! Shh. Shh. It's all right, Rose. It's all right.
Ethan! Ethan! Come on, Ethan. Come on, Ethan, wake up.
Penat weh. Banyak kali mati dia ni.
Chris. Ethan. You did it. It's finished.
Untuk kau apa kisah dia? Aku dah nak banyak kali mati dia ni.
Ethan. We gotta move.
Tapi ingat satu ending je kan. Teruslah aku lah. Di sini 7 ada 2 ending. Yang ni aku rasa satu ending je. Sebab tak ada cus-cus macam 7 dia ada Ripmi atau
There's
Zoe.
a bomb in that thing that'll blow this
Tak
whole
ada pula.
village sky high. Hey, look at me. When I hit this trigger, we can't be anywhere near it. Ah, damn it. Mia's waiting for you. She's alive, you hear me? Alive.
Alamak,
Mia,
tak dapat koin baru.
sorry. I love you. Keep Rose safe.
Hey, hey. Hey. And you tell yourself. Now come on, it's not that much further.
Watch over
Hey,
her.
dah berulat aku ni tangan ni.
Teach her to be strong.
God damn it.
Goodbye, Rosemary.
Rose, Rose Blackpink Blackpink.
Ethan.
Hai Mia ni, kulit kotor pun lawa. Terbawa off
Rose?
backup.
Go. Go, take us up now.
Wait! Where's Ethan?
Get moving. We have to get clear.
No! We can't go, not without my husband!
Mia, sit down and strap in.
Not before you tell me where Ethan is. I know he wouldn't abandon us. Tell me what's going on. Where? What was that?
I told you to sit down.
Where is he? What have you
Kisah
done?
Kis tu salah. Kisah Kis tu.
I tried. He stayed so we could all escape. I'm sorry.
Captain, you need to see this. BSAA didn't send soldiers. This is a bioweapon.
The hell were they thinking?
Orders, Captain.
Pick up the rest of the squad. Plot a course for BSAA Europe HQ. Someone's gotta pay.
Tak risau Mia. Nanti Rose tu akan jadi Rose Blackpink. Confirm kau bangga nanti. Wah. Salah macam ni tu. Ni auto pula. Dah skip lah. Skip ya. Aku pun dah faham lagu Jepun. Ke aku takut ending. Nasib. Ethan ke tu? Ethan ke tu? Lawa macam miau muka dia.
Do you think the little boy will be able to touch the moon?
Nobody can touch the moon, it's too far away.
Wait, what if he has a rocket ship?
Okay, then you can touch it, but it'd be very, very cold.
You were being silly. I don't think the moon feels like it.
It does. But it...
Hey, Dad. Happy birthday. Sorry I missed last week. I have a lot of tests coming up. You know how it is. Talk of the goddamn devil. Duty calls. I love you.
Yeah, I found her. Where else? Today of all days. We have a situation. You're needed, Evelyn.
Kurang hajar kau.
Ever call me that again?
Takut kau cuak.
Rose.
Lawak apa tu? Lawak kacik.
Even Chris doesn't know I can do.
Jangan.
We have a clear shot.
Stand down. I can handle it.
Dah malu?
She's just a kid.
Way to keep it together, Rose.
You're a lot like him, you know?
I know.
Habis ke? Siapa jalan tu? Siapa jalan ujung tu? Nampak? Tak nampak kat skrin ni. Jatuh lagi. Habis. Release of the full version. Ni movie edit. Boleh save Aku save bawah sekali. Dah habis. Cuma Dah habis. Cuma tinggal adalah DLC Ghost. Okay, kita end lah. Dah habis kan. Apa nak sambung apa. Aku DLC aku tak beli lagi yo. Okay, kita sambung next part. This game horror yang baru ataupun DLC. Okay, thank you mana support aku. Korang jumpa, subscribe, like, comment, share this video. Okay, like lah, like. Jangan cuba like, benda free. Aku tak minta 1 sen pun. Aku cakap RM1 nak like. Tu lain cerita. Aku tak minta kan. Aku like, subscribe sekarang kan. Okay, bye bye.